Well, let us now run it. Yeah, you see, let us enter our year. For example, let us enter 2020. So, and then you see, this is leap year. Hello friends, welcome to GW Computer Tutorial channel. Yeah, I remember in the previous lessons there a lesson that talked about leap year, right? Yeah, I showed you how you can write a C++ program that check whether the entered number is leap year or not. Yeah, this is another video that shows you how you can write it, but this is the second method, right? Yeah, the simple and easy method to check whether entered year is leap or not. Yeah, you see, these are the main three conditions to check whether a year is leap or not. So as you see in this statement, our task today is to write a C++ program to check if entered year is leap or not. And to check there, first of all, we have to know that every year leap is divisible by 4. Every leap year must be divisible by 4. That is the first condition. The second one is this: if a year divisible by 100 and 400 both, then a leap year. Else not leap year. Means that when a year is divisible by 100 and 400 at the same time, in that case our year is leap. Else not leap. The last condition is the third one, which is if year not divisible by 100, then is a leap year, right? This means that when our year is divisible by 4 and not divisible by 100, in that case we say that year is a leap, right? So if you missed the previous lesson, see on our channel and watch this video. You see, this is a short video that check whether the year is leap or not by using this statement, as you see, right? So let me start it to show how it works. Yeah, as usual, first of all we have to make variable declaration. Let us int year like this, then out enter year, then end line like this, and also see in our year like this. Then now we get our year. We are going now to start with the statement 1 or condition 1 that say that every leap year is divisible by 4. That's why we are going to check if our year mod plus 4, then the remainder will be equal to 0. In this case we will check another condition is right. We will check another conditions here, but else if this condition is false, we will display that this year is not leap. Out not leap year. Yeah, not leap year, then here end line. You see, in this case, when this condition is false, we will display that this year is not leap. Yeah, now if condition is true, we have to check whether our year is divisible by 100, right? Yeah, if year if year modulus 100 and remainder will be equal to 0, in this case we will check another condition, but if is not here, our year will be a leap. As you see, if we divisible by 100, see for last one, if year not divisible by 100, then it is a leap year. Means that first of all we have to check for divided by 4. If it is divisible by 4, it allows us to check another condition, and if that year is divisible by 100 and remainder will be equal to 0, in that case we say that by checking another condition we conclude whether is a leap or not. But if it is false, in this case we say that our year is leap, right? Yeah, south leap year, yes, of course. Then enter in here as usual. You see, this is how we develop a C++ program. But also, if this condition is true, we have to check whether is also divisible by 400, right? Yeah, that's why here we have to use also if our year is divisible by 400. In this case we say that our year is leap, south leap year, right? Then end line like this. But if is not divisible by 400, we say that our year is not leap year, else year is not leap, south year is not leap, just not leap year, like this. Then also end line here. You see, this is our program to check whether our entered year is leap or not. The first of all, as you see, is to check whether the number is divisible by 4. If yes, you can continue. If no, you have to print here in this else section, not leap year, right? Then if is divisible by 4, we have now to check whether is divisible by 100. If is divisible by 100, in that case we have to check a last condition, which is divisible by 400. But if it is false, in that case our year will be a leap year. Means that there are 3 options. If our year is divisible by 4 and divisible by 100 and divisible by 400, in that case we say that a year is leap. But if is divisible by 4 and not divisible by 100 also, in that case we say that our year is leap. Otherwise our year will not be a leap, right? But the first condition here is must be divisible by 4, because we have seen that leap year is the year which is visible or available at least in the 4 years, because are those years that has the more than 366 days. You see, the normal days have the 365, but this year is called leap if has this 366 days, right? Those days for one which is additional, it's come in the in the 4 years, right? That's why it must be divisible by 4 first of all, right? So let us test our program by comparing it, and you can save it as RIP1, then save it and check whether there is error or not. You see our program is well written. Let us now run it. Yeah, you see, let us enter our year. For example, let us enter 2020. So, and then you see this is RIP year because it's just divisible by 4 and also not 100, right? Because this is not divisible by 100. And you can also enter another number which is differ or violate conditions. For example, if you write like 1000 like 977, right? Let us see. You see, this is not RIP year because it just is not divisible by 4, right? This here is not divisible by 4. So this is how you can develop C++ program to check whether the number is RIP or not. Let me scroll it again to show you. First of all, put into your mind these conditions and see how you check. First of all, check if it's divisible by 4. Then if yes, you can continue to check if it's divisible by 100. If no, in that case our year will be a RIP. And if yes, also check whether it's divisible by 400, and also if is divisible by 400, in that case we display that our year is a RIP. Else year will be not a RIP. So this is the end of our today presentation, and I invite you to subscribe this video or channel in general. If you are new here, please keep subscribe, right? Also, if this video is helpful for you, kindly share to your colleagues, like this video, and please, if you have any question, idea, you can write it in the comment section, right? And also, if you have any program, either you can ask us to write some kind of programs that you need. Yeah, feel free and tell us in the comment section. Thank you. See you in the next video.